There we go. All right, what's up, guys? Yeah, I'm kind of trying out a new voice recorder. It's the stock iPhone headphones that come with my phone, and it's really windy out today. I don't even know if I'll fish or be able to fish that good, but it's pretty day. It's warm. It's really warm to be in the middle of December. Oh, great. See, that's what the wind does to you. The wind really messes with you. And speaking, the heart's jig, the rattle chunk. This thing works pretty good. I'm just gonna make slow flips now. The wind's calmed down for a minute. Oh, got one. Oh, this one's big. Damn. Oh, son. Oh, come here. Quit. Oh, he got it, too. Damn, quit your flopping. Ate it. Oh, quit that. Look at that one. That's a pretty big bass. That's pretty good size. Okay. Now, I'm going to release him right. See? So that one swam away pretty good. They usually don't do it like that. Okay. I thought that was a bigger bass than that, honestly. I felt like a 4 or 5 pounder, but not one. I think I caught. Oh, this is a different one. Hey, little guy. Sorry. Oh, come here. Quit. Are you done? Okay. Don't squirm. Yeah. He's the guy. Too big. Okay, big. See, he took off swimming that way, which means instead of swimming that way, which is the other part of the pond. I mean,